Hey, boys and girls, it is Letterland time again, and I am so excited about today's lesson. We've been learning a little bit more about our Letterlanders, about some of our Letterlanders, and we'll get to more later, beginning next week. Okay. So the Letterlanders that we've been learning about are Annie Apple. Let's say her sound with her action trick. Annie Apple, ah. Clever Cat, k. Dippy Duck, d. We're also going to learn about her friend Diana Duck. Diana Duck looks just the same, but we're going to, and she makes the same sound too. D. Harry Hatman, Munching Mike, and Talking Tess, t. Okay, now we are going to begin some reading. We're going to put some of these sounds together, and we're going to read words. Okay, now I need you to be very quiet because Clever Cat and Talking Tess only whisper their names or only whisper their sounds in words, and we all need to be able to hear them. Okay, so let's say our sounds k, a, t. Okay, now Clever Cat has a trick. So she has a secret, and she told me it was okay to share with you. Her secret is I always sound better beside another letter. So don't make my sound all alone. Put a nice round apple beside me so I don't have to be on my own. Okay, now we're going to try using Clever Cat's secret of making her sound together with Annie Apple's sound. So let's get ready to say Clever Cat's sound, but don't say it just yet. Let's get ready to say Annie Apple's sound. I don't want you to say it quite yet, okay? Now, we're going to let both sounds just come out together. Ready? Cat. Okay, cat. Say it with me. Cat. Do you hear the k and the a? Cat. Good job. Now let's blend all three sounds together. Cat. Cat. Say it with me. Cat. What's our word? Cat. Yes, just like Clever Cat. Now let's see what happens if we ask Munching Mike to take Clever Cat's space. Because this is one of the fun ways the Letterlanders have of making new words. Okay, so Clever Cat has sat down and we have Munching Mike in her place. Let's make our sounds a, t. Let's blend these two together. Ready? Ma, ma, mat, mat. Very good. Clever Cat could take a nap on a mat. Okay. Now, let's let Dippy Duck take the place of Talking Tess and find out what new word we have made. Okay, let's say our sounds together. A, d. Let's do Clever Cat's sound trick. Mad, mad. Blend it all together. Mad. Yeah, we're going to read it the fast way. Mad. Good job. The cat was mad at the dog. I want to introduce you to a new trick. This is our roller coaster trick. Okay, here's our word. Okay, I'm going to move my camera down just a little bit. I want you to look at my arm. We are going to pretend that our arms are the steep part of a roller coaster, and we're going to roll those sounds down our roller coaster to make a word. Okay, so watch this. I'm going to say our first sound. Ready? Then I'm going to touch my shoulder to make the first sound. Okay, then I'm going to come down to my middle of my arm, my elbow, and go ah. I'm going to make Annie Apple sound. Ah. okay? And I'm going to come down here to my wrist, and I'm going to make talking Tessa's sound. T. So watch this. Ah, t. Okay? Now, let's use Clever Cat's secret of saying the first two sounds without stopping and slide our hands down our roller coaster like this. Hat, hat. Now let's go all the way down our roller coaster and blend our sounds. Hat. Good job. Let's all pretend to put hats on our heads. Yes. I wonder if that's Harry Hat's big green hairy hat. Okay. Now, here is another word. Okay. Let's get your roller coasters out, and I want you to do this one with me. Okay, let's go back here to Harry Hatman sound. Any apple sound. Ah. And Dippy Duck sound. D. Ha. D. Ha. D. Had. Had. Good job. Okay. Here we go. Ah. Ha. Ham. Ham. Okay. Now, Dippy Duck has a friend who makes exactly the same sound as Dippy Duck does in words. Remember, I told you a few slides back, her name is Diana Duck. Dippy Duck and Diana Duck. Sometimes Diana Duck has to come in here and help Dippy with some words. This one, for example, okay? But when we see their plain letter side, we know that it could be either one and they make the same sound, okay? So here's our new word. Let's get our roller coasters ready. D, a, d, d, a, d, dad, d, dad, d, dad. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, that is it for Letterland today. And I hope you enjoyed reading our words today. Parents, you are more than welcome to go back through the video and show your child these words again and see if they can make the sounds and put them together and read these words for us. Okay, thanks. Bye, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with a review.